guys, so today you just have to do review lessons with some odd problems. Yay, that's exciting, okay. So you only have half the problems. You also have a logic puzzle. And so I can't show you too much because I already solved it. So this is just the top of the logic puzzle so you know what you're looking for. I want you to go ahead and pull that out. I'm going to give you a little explanation so that you feel confident that you know how to solve it. But I can't solve it for you, or then you'd be using my logic and not yours. Okay? It says here at the top, turkey for sure is a favorite at Thanksgiving feasts. What about the sides? So the otras comidas that you're going to eat with your turkey. A website called Ranker polled 9,700 people. That means they asked 9,700 people how they would rank the side dishes, which one is their favorite. It says, and you can discover the results by reading and applying the clues below. Did your favorite rank take the top spot? So here are the side dishes. We have baked sweet potatoes, bread, corn on the cob, crescent rolls, gravy, green bean casserole, macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and sweet potato pie. Okay, so number one, your first clue, it says, of the 3 potato dishes, the highest is ranked number 1. The lowest potato dish ranking is number 9. The third potato dish is ranked number 8. So that means of the 3 potato dishes, one of them is in place 1, one of them in 8, and one of them in 9. So find the 3 potato dishes. Baked sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, and sweet potato pie. All right, I'm going to, I really can't show you because I filled it all in. Anyway, so let's start with the baked sweet potatoes, okay? You know this is a potato dish, so it can either be in spot 1, in spot 8, or in spot 9. So you can put an X in the spots 2 through 7 and spot 10 because it's not going to be one of those. It can only be 1, 8, or 9. That also means for anything that is not a potato dish, you can cross off spots 1, 8, and 9 because only potato dishes will be in those spots, okay? That's the kind of logic. So cross out where it definitely cannot be, so put an X there, and then I colored in when I figured out which spot it was, I colored that box in. So for example, I'm not going to say whether this is right or not. Let's say that baked sweet potatoes are in spot 1. I would color in the box for number 1 under baked sweet potatoes, and I would have an X in the rest of the boxes under baked sweet potatoes, okay? If bread is number 1, obviously bread can't be number 1 because it's not potatoes, but let's say it was, okay? Then I would color in the box number 1 for bread, and I would put an X under on all of the other boxes under bread, okay? So that's how you solve these clues. Let me read the rest of the clues, and then you do your best to solve the puzzle. Number 2, bread and green bean casserole are in the top 5. Crescent rolls and macaroni and cheese are in the bottom 5. Number 3, the ranks of macaroni and cheese, gravy, and green bean casserole are ranked odd numbers. Baked sweet potatoes, bread, and corn on the cob are ranked even numbers. Number 4, stuffing is higher ranked than gravy by 1 spot. So that means its number is higher by 1. And lower ranked by mashed potatoes than mashed potatoes by 1 spot. So that means it's right above gravy and right below mashed potatoes. The only dish with a green vegetable is ranked 5th. It is closely followed by another vegetable. And then we have number 6, gravy's rank number is half of corn on the cobs. So when you find corn on the cob, half of that number would be gravy. Or if you already know corn on the cob, multiply that by 2 and you'll get gravy's number. Baked sweet potatoes rank is twice bread's rank number. So if you know baked sweet potato, then you need to multiply that by 2 and you'll get bread's number. If you already know bread, divide that by 2 and you'll get the baked sweet potatoes. Okay? Multiply by 2. If you know the baked sweet potato, if you know the baked sweet potato, divide by 2 and you'll get bread. Multiply bread by 2 if you know bread and you'll get baked sweet potato. I think I said that the wrong way. Anyway, so multiply bread by 2 to get baked sweet potato, or divide baked sweet potato by 2 to get the bread. All right, let me know if you need any other help with this one, but I want you to try it on your own, okay? And then send me a picture and I'll tell you if you got it right or not. Okay, obviously you can't have more than one food in the same spot. So once you figure out that a food is in a spot, you can cross that spot off for every other food because only one food can be in a spot at a time. Okay, have fun, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.